Imagine you're at a casino, but instead of risking everything on one spin, you spread your bets across every single slot machine in the house. Welcome to the world of index funds. An index fund is like a basket that holds shares from hundreds or thousands of companies, all at once. It tracks an index, which is just a list of stocks meant to represent the overall market. Why is this better than picking individual stocks? Because over time, it's nearly impossible for most people to beat the market by choosing winners one at a time. Let me explain why. Think about grocery shopping. You could spend hours comparing every single item, or you could just buy everything on sale and average out your savings. That's what an index fund does with stocks. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Many investors think they can beat this simple strategy by picking winners or timing the market. But studies show that fewer than 10% of active managers do better over time. So, why does this matter for you? Well, if you invest $5,000 annually into an S&P 500 index fund with a low fee from age 25 to 65, assuming a modest return of about 7% per year, it could grow to over $1.4 million by the time you retire. Remember though, this video is for educational purposes only and not personalized financial advice. Always consult with a professional before making investment decisions. In summary, index funds offer a straightforward way to invest without trying to beat the market by picking individual stocks or timing your buys and sells. It's simple, effective, and backed by decades of evidence. Subscribe and unravel more money mechanics, the strategies that work in the real world but aren't taught everywhere. Your financial future is waiting.